I am going to place the soldering iron on the pad and heat the pad and push the wire onto the pad. Solder onto the pad. Oh, wait, I was told to have some solder on there beforehand for heat transfer. Okay, well, that's not working. At least not for me, so I must be doing something wrong. Let me get this air filter. I got my air filter here. All right, let's filter that. Okay. I already have solder, or I already have flux on there, so let me try this again. I'm getting a bit of solder on the tip, and then I'm placing the tip onto the pad, and then I dip in, pull off. Is that right? And I still got some solder, so maybe I can just do that again, right? Put it on, dip in, pull off. I don't know, was that good? How was that? Does that look about right? But do I have it on there long enough? Or too long? Yeah, well, that one's bad. And I got a lot of on here, so let's just... Can I just dump it off? I don't know. That's a lot of extra. Maybe I can finish this one up. Let's just do some more for practice here. Let's get these 4 right here. All right, there they are. How does that look? How was the technique? Please give me some advice. That would be much appreciated. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.